Investopedia. Insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a credit represented by a policy in which an individual or entity reverses financial protection or reimbursement against losses from a industry company. The company pools client risks to make payment more affordable for the insured guys. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial losses, both big and small. They may result from damage to the insured or the property, from a liability for damage of injury caused to third party. How insurance works. There is a multi type of different types of insurance policy available in market, and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company will insure them for a price. The most common types of personal insurance policies are auto, health, homeowners, and life. Most individual and United States have the last one of those types of insurance, and car insurance is required by law. Key takeaways. Insurance is contact policy which are insure another against losses from specific congress or loss. There are many types of insurance policy: life, health, homeowners, and auto. The most common from insurance. The company that make up most insurance policy are the duplicate policy limit and premium. Businessmen require special types of insurance policy that insure against specific types of risk faced by particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant needs a policy that covers damage of injury that occur as a result of cooking with a deep fryer. An auto dealer is not subject to this type of risks but does not require coverage for damage or injury that could occur during test drivers. Important. In order to select the best policy for you or your family, it's important to pay attention to three critical companies are most of insured policy, the premium and policy limit. There are also insurance policy available for very specific needs such as kidnap and ransom, K&R, medical marketplace, and professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance. Insurance policy problems. When choosing a policy, it is important to understand how insurance works. A firm understanding of those concepts goes to long way in helpful you choose the policy that best suits your needs. For instance, whole life insurance may or not be the right type of insurance for you. There are three companies of any types of insurance: premium, policy limit, and that are cultural. Premium. A policy premium is a price typically expressed as monthly cost. The premium is determined by the insured based on your business risk profile, which may include coordinate and many conditions. For example, if you own several expensive automobiles and have a history of reckless driving, you will likely pay more for an auto policy than someone with a single mid-range stand and perfect driving record. However, different insurers may charge different premiums for similar policies, so finding the price that are right for requires some legal work. Policy limit. The policy limit is a maximum amount an insurer will pay under a policy for a coverage loss. Maximum may be set per period, annual or policy term, per loss or injury, or over the life of the policy, also known as the lifetime maximum. Typically, higher limits carry higher premiums for a general life insurance policy. The maximum amount the insurer will pay is referred to as the face value, which is the amount paid to beneficiary upon the death of insured. The duplicate is specific amount of the policy holder must pay out of pocket before the insurer pays a claim. Debtors saves as debtors to large volumes of small and insignificant claims. Debtor can apply per policy or per claim depending on the insured and the type of policy which one he likes. Policies with very high debtors are typically less expensive because the high out of pocket expense generally result the fewer similar claims. Special considering with regard to health insurance. People who have chronic health issue or need regular medical attention should look for policies which lower deductible. Thought the annual premium is higher than a comparable policy with a higher, less expensive access to medical care. Thought the year may be worth the trade-off. Compete risk-free with $1,000,000 in virtual cash. Put your training skill for the test with our free stock simulator, complete with thousands of Investopedia traders, and trade your way to top. Submit traders in a virtual environment before you start risking your own money. Practice trading stage so that we are ready to enter the real market. You have had the practice you need. Try our stock simulator today. Article sources. What is group term life insurance? Group term life insurance is the life insurance offered as employable benefits. Often base amount is convert no change with a option at more life guide to policies and companies. The life insurance is a card which insure exchange for premium, guarantees payment to insured benefits which insured died more. Personal line insurance.